Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Santa's Workshop. We are tonight at the XTaKeRuX. We got some nice cars lined up out here. Some really sharp ones. Well, you all know that one. Let's get out here in the street so we can see what we're looking at. We're going to walk around and show you a few of them. We'll talk to you here in a minute. .444 barrel. This is a cruiser. Dodge Dart GT. That is one nice ride. It ought to. It'll beat my V6, I guarantee you that. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got a 91 Dodge Ram 150, and looky here, for sale. Let's see if we can get a phone number on there. If you can't see that, message me. We'll get you contact with him. All original. Interior looks great. Said it had electric windows. It's his daily driver. He just needs something that doesn't hurt him quite so bad on gas, and I can understand that. Now, past everything but a gas station, right? All right. If anybody's interested, holler at him. Let's look at this little jewel. Taz is waving at you. 1931. Now that's cool. How are you doing today? Is this one yours?
Yes, both these are.
Both of these?
31 is 30 model.
Oh, wow. I've got a YouTube channel. You mind if I put these on there, show everybody?
Oh, sure.
All right.
They've got the original seat covers in both of them.
These are the original seat covers.
Yep, sure is. Call it mohair.
I'll be darned. I thought the 52 I had at home was pretty cool with its original interior, but this one here, I think this one's got it beat a little.
89 years old and 90 years old.
Wow.
All they've been changed on them is the generator. Took the generator off, put an alternator on them.
And see, what I love is that woodworking.
Oh yeah.
I mean, that's when cars were crafted.
Oh yeah, yep. Dust them off.
Now, is this still the original paint on this one?
On this one it is. Yeah, you can tell the way it's cracking real bad.
Right.
The front's cracking around there and down here.
You know, what's amazing to me is they put that on with a paintbrush and then sanded it down.
They sanded it down smooth. This one's been repainted.
All original. step back and give y'all a long shot of this one.
This is something you've probably never seen before.
What's this?
You know what those are for? Keeps it from vapor locking.
I'll be
It
darned.
gets so hot, you put clothespins on it, it won't vaporize, it'll just run down the highway good. If you don't have them on it, it'll start cutting out, it's like losing gas.
I'll be darned. Yeah, those suck the heat away from it.
Yeah.
That's something else. And that right there, that Model A there, that's the heater, isn't it?
That's the only heater you got in this thing.
Yep.
Off the motor.
Good
fun to
land.
drive in the wintertime.
I don't know why when I see this and I keep on thinking I hear ZZ Top in the background. I know it's nowhere near ZZ Top's, but boy, it is sharp. Let's take a look at the interior. Oh, very beautifully done. Very nice. How you doing, sir? Sure. I take it this one's yours.
Yeah.
It is.
I guess I could go around open doors for people, but
Yeah, I walked up to it and I said, man, I don't know why this reminds me of ZZ Top.
well, and it does kind of, even though his is a coupe and
Right.
and his is a 33.
I think it's the stance in it.
Yeah. And I've got a 32 three-window coupe like ZZ Tops.
Oh, wow.
Of course, they got near the paint job. It's just black, but it's.
You go, come on.
I'll go around this way.
Come on, I need a star of the show. Tune port injection.
That's awesome.
That ain't bad.
And that way it feels.
That is a 454. Memory of David Ellis. Beautiful. So we've got a Mustang under construction. Love those wheels. Pontiac Grand Prix. We must pause for the musical interlude. $27.68 El Camino SS. Hey, Randy. Jackson went by me when I was at the car wash earlier. It sounded pretty sweet.